So today I'm here with Christopher Williams, Commercial Insurance Director, and we're going to talk about property ownership. So as a property owner, I'm thinking property ownership in terms of blocks of flats or rented houses, for example. I'd like to talk about the insurances. So if I arrange insurance for properties, what other cover should I actually be considering?
Okay, well most property policies include a comprehensive package for the buildings itself, but there is an area of cover known as trustee liability or directors and officers, which is designed to provide protection for the individual who's responsible for looking after or managing the property, both against legal costs and also damages that may be awarded as a result of their negligence in their actions.
Okay, so for me to think about this cover, what sort of things could actually go wrong?
There are a whole myriad of things that could go wrong, from health and safety, but let's go and look at one example of underinsurance, where somebody's failed to insure the property correctly for the full sum insured. Large claim happens, and a claim is reduced in proportion to the underinsurance. A leaseholder is then out of pocket several tens of thousands of pounds perhaps. He's going to look to the person who organised the insurance and was responsible for that, and that may be you as a director.
Okay, that's interesting. So in effect, are you saying that if I don't have this cover, my personal wealth could be completely at risk?
Yes, that statement is largely true. Your personal liability is there. You need to act in a proper and commercial way that is in accordance with statutory obligations. So if you are negligent and you don't insure the building for the correct value, somebody could come, for example a leaseholder, and sue you for your actions or failure to act in a correct fashion, which could mean that you suffer a large legal bill in defending your costs, and also equally you may suffer personal loss of wealth and assets as a result. So that can be avoided. You can take out an insurance policy to cover those aspects.
Is this cover expensive?
No, the cover is relatively inexpensive. You can start from £100,000 of cover right up to several millions, but all of that will be dependent on the size of the property, the number of flats, but also the limit that you have. It's well worth having, bearing in mind the risks that are involved. I wouldn't be a director of a freehold company or involved in the management if I didn't have directors and officers policy cover protecting me.
That's really helpful, thank you. So how could we get in touch with you and your team?
Very easy, they're all very experienced there in this area, and you can get in touch with them either by calling us via email or an inquiry form on our website.
Brilliant, thank you so much for your time.